The government is drafting a new law to introduce a kill switch that will immediately terminate online scam transactions, says Datuk Sri Azalina Othman Said. The Law and Institutional Reforms Minister said existing laws were outdated and insufficient to deal with this new form of crime.
Ketua banyak undang-undang kita yang ada ni, semuanya undang-undang ni adalah sebelum tahun 2010. Maknanya undang-undang kita agak lambat. Maknanya kalau berbanding antara kereta ini macam kata orang betul-betul basikal buruk. Jadi inilah sebabnya undang-undang ni perlu dipinda, bukan saja di segi substansif tetapi juga di segi prosedural supaya kita dapat membantu kerajaan yang berhadapan dalam isu yang berlaku pada hari ini.
Azalina added that the new law is pertinent in light of rapid developments in cybercrime, especially involving artificial intelligence. She said besides the kill switch law, other laws are also being reviewed to allow the return of stolen funds to victims, including the Anti-Money Laundering, Anti-Terrorism Financing and Proceeds of Unlawful Activities Act 2001, the Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code. Between October 12, 2022 to January 31st this year, she said the National Scam Response Centre recorded 71,631 calls with losses amounting to 245.1 million ringgit to online scams.